having an amazing day. Welcome to Lifestyle Dynamics, where we go on so many crazy adventures. We are currently here at Gosford, okay, heading towards the Alive Plant-Based Festival. Okay, it is a biannual event. It happens twice a year, and we're gonna try some plant-based goodies. Then we're gonna go and duck out into a park reserve, get some nature in, and I'll show you guys today's leg routine to yeah, let's go. Super hot day out here in Gosford, the Alive Plant-Based Festival, and it is great vibes, pretty chill. So it's pretty similar to the vegan festival you'd see in Moore Park, Sydney. And we're starting with the falafel tacos. That's pretty different, and also ordered some donuts as well, which is pretty cheeky. So yeah, we're being a bit lenient today. Okay, normally eat a whole food, plant-based, organic diet, but today we're just here to check it out, share it with you guys in case you ever want to come out here, and yeah, keep pushing on with the good vibes. So let's dig into this. That was pretty bomb. That was a homemade falafel with some hummus on some tortilla wrap with some beetroot and rocket and spinach. That was delish. Okay, so we're about to dig into this donut. I don't usually eat donuts, but yeah, this will be a treat. Let's see how it goes. Pretty good. Pretty damn good. They look like the chakras, by the way. Damn. Alright, that was awesome. Finishing off with a green energy smoothie. And yeah, it was just great to see so many people raise the frequency of the planet through positive messages, amazing drinks, amazing foods, getting together and spreading the love, baby. Now we're gonna go do a little nature adventure, okay, here at Rumballara Reserve, which is not too far from the event. Okay, so here we go. We're just gonna go soaking ourselves in nature, and then we're gonna go for a leg workout, and then I'll show you the last meal of the day. So yeah, let's go. Looks like a huge trail, but we're just gonna go from here to the, what's this? The Uraka Lookout. And then we'll head back our way for a pump and workout. Feeling so energized right now. Probably should have rested and let the food pass through. Now I'm copping a stitch, but we still trek on. Let's keep going. Always find that breathing through your nose and out through your mouth helps with stitches. So there's a good tip for you. Here's one steep hill. Here we go. We just keep going, we just keep moving, we just keep thriving, we just keep nourishing. That's what we're about here at Lifestyle Dynamics. Movement, nature. Oh, here's our photo shot, thumbnail, and just travel. See the world as much as you can. As much as I like to just chill out at home and do jack shit, it's not as exciting as looking back on your day and realizing, fuck, what did I just do? Where did I just go? What is this place? Why are we here? Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Sick. All right, we're gonna keep trekking. Oh my gosh, we've got more stairs. Holy steepness. Look at this. Yep, we just keep going. We keep going. Best way to keep going up is just keep going up. Ain't gonna get too motivational there. Whoa, this is steep. The view's gonna be amazing. It is, I bet you. It's gonna be so rewarding. Whew, here we go, here we go. I feel like it's gonna be so good. I'm really excited. Are you excited? You're pretty excited, eh? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Here we go. Almost there. I shouldn't feel this unfit. Almost at the top. What's it gonna be? Oh shit. Yep, it's pretty breathtaking. Let's have a look. Wowza. Oh yeah. Oh gosh. Let me catch my breath. Breath, come back. Come back to me, breath. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is amazing. Yo! This is great. This is fantastic. Hope you're soaking all of this in. You got all the mountains and hills. There's more adventuring, but we're gonna take a break. This is our warm-up for our leg session. Oh, look at that. We got all these. Can we zoom in? Yeah, we can. Got all the yachts there. Everyone having a party. Everyone having a good time out here. I know you are. Holy shit, looks like we've intruded. Well, not intruded, but look, let's see if we can get a closer view. It's a huge ass lizard. Oh my god, it's huge. Wow. It is fucking massive. Hold on. There he is. Just slithering away. Hey champ. Hope I didn't disturb ya. Reptilians, they're running the world. Do you know President Trump? Are you guys lizards? Are they lizards? Do you reckon President Trump is a lizard? What about Obama? Do you reckon Obama was a lizard? You don't know? You guys aren't related? You're cousins? Distant cousins? Okay. Alright, battery's about to die. We're gonna make our way back down to the vehicle and go and get a leg session in. My oh my, it is super duper hot. Whew. Hope your day is well. Hope you're getting lots of sunshine in today. Lots happening, like nothing's happening right now. We're just chilling the fuck out, recharging ourselves, meditating. Interesting video. If you watch the new Netflix series, something about how the mind works, and they have a chapter on mindfulness, and they go into the depth of how Buddha recreated meditation and called it mindful meditation, and how it's just really more about observing your thoughts, okay, and accepting your thoughts, and just also being mindful and observing your breath, so we can come back fully into the present moment. Instead of focusing our thoughts externally, we come back and go on the inside. I got a video on that if you want to check it out. Link on the description below. And yeah, I'm going to say goodbye to the lizard now and tell him to pass a message to Donald Trump and say to eat more plants and shit like that. So yeah, let's get out of here. I can definitely feel the donuts, the falafel tacos, and the green smoothie having a play of merry go fuck around, wanting to come and say hello to my throat. But yeah, just be mindful. Don't walk and eat, just chill out, eat, and just relax before you ever decide to go on a hike or a trail or exercise. You know, there's no need to rush. Just need to slow it down. Slow it down. Alright guys, we've discovered a new species. Not a new species, but found ourselves a turkey. No, it doesn't understand. It's too advanced. It's too advanced for the language of no. Alright, see you later. Damn, it is boiling. Just gonna snack on some mandarin and banana with some dates, plus a bird feather, if you're into that. And some pumpkin seeds as well. So good little pre-workout, even though I'm already pre-worked out from all the deep fried food and green smoothies and that walk. Just gonna do a little recharge. I know you're judging me from eating so much, but honestly, from my own body weight and metabolism, this is just gonna pass right through. So we're gonna snack on these before the road trip home, which is gonna take about 90 minutes, and just gonna enjoy all the fresh air on the way back home, cool down and get ourselves charging again for a big workout. Okay, and yeah, there we go. Lots of potassium, magnesium, great little treat to lower blood pressure in case you're freaking out man, and just yeah, get hydrated. All right, time to go. Let's get a move on. Chop chop. All right, we're back in Sydney now. I'm feeling a bit tired from eating so much food and that little trek, but we're gonna duck in the gym, get in a intense leg workout, focusing more on glutes and hammies, and I'll show you guys some of the exercises that you can implement into your routine as well. So I'm going to start off with a compound movement, so a deficit deadlift, okay, which you'll see in a moment, and then we're just going to focus on supersetting, getting some high intensity exercises in there to build the muscles and just get a good sweat in, right? Instead of focusing so much on the external, we'll focus on the deeper growth, because that's where the real growth happens. So let's get in there, get in a massive workout in, and then finish off this video with the last meal, really. you have it. That's the leg workout that I typically go through to stay in shape, stay strong, plant strong. Okay, and now time to have a post-workout smoothie that's going to be filled with oats, berries, cacao, protein powder, and some hemp seeds with some chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, all this good stuff. And then I'll show you what's for dinner, and that will be it. That's pretty much it. Check out these little monkeys. Just having fun, just having a good time. Oh shit, there's a wedding. There's a park wedding. Holy crap. There you go. Love's in the air. Just ranting on. Anyway, see you guys at the next stop. Alright, post-workout smoothie in check. Gonna enjoy this now, then have a beautiful shower, and then get the video edit. So start editing the video. So I'm gonna jump into the future and then come back to the present, and then we're gonna go with the last meal. Okay, it's gonna be the last one's super delicious, so stay around for that, and time to chill out for a bit. Okay, gorgeous people, final meal of the day. It is bloody waiting for me. We have ourselves a Filipino dish, but we've added some chickpeas to it, so have a look. We've got some eggplants, beans, pumpkins, coconut milk, just all mixed together. Then I fried some or grilled some chickpeas with paprika and onion and mixed that together. We've got some tofu, brown rice. There you have it. Very simple eating. Okay, very simple way of living. You know why? So others can simply live. Like, for example, the animals. That's what we're here to do, guys. We're here to protect them. We're not here to torture them. We're not here to abuse them. We are here to set them free. Okay, that's the message I'm getting from the universe directly to you. We've got a free vegan nutrition guide, link down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for sticking through this and venturing out with me on this fine ass day. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Stay well, stay blessed, stay woke, okay? Love your friends, love your family, love the planet, love the animals, and most importantly, love yourself. Peace and love. See ya.